Okay, so now that the wall's done, I'm gonna work on the shower. So let me show you this product I'm using. I got this off of Amazon, Magic Tub and Tile Refinisher Kit. I have used the Rust-Oleum kind before, and that one I think would do the trick. I used it to paint the actual tub last time I did it, and after a year or so it started peeling up around the drains. So I just, unless you've got like a powder coat kit or a porcelain something kit that's meant specifically for bathtubs that are going to be holding water, I wouldn't paint a bathtub on its own unless you just need a quick fix and you're going to hold it, you're going to replace it soon. But where I'm just replacing where I'm just painting the shower tile, this is going to be a great option, and it'll last forever because the showers just don't get as much wear and tear from the water. So step number one, we would be removing all the caulk, but I don't have caulk. Whoever did the shower just used grout, which is not a great practice. So I'm gonna caulk everything after I'm done. But the first step is to just clean everything really well with an abrasive cleaner. I've got my handy dandy drill brush here, and I'm going to be using the pink stuff. This is an abrasive cleaner. It worked really, really well in my other shower. But if you have mildew, if you have other things on there, this is pretty clean already. You remember the shower saga from last time. It might require more, but this is all I'm going to use for this. Bad news, guys. I don't know if you can tell, but I am just shy of having enough paint. I did a second coat on everything, but when you step back, you can see, like, I didn't do inside the grout lines or anything, so I'm gonna have to order one more can, and that will come in a couple days, so I'm not gonna be able to finish this shower right now.